Always consider adoption before buying a dog. There's so many dogs that need to be adopted. Thank you.
Hey everybody, welcome. In this video I'm going to make this cool little bowl. If you want to see how it's made, stick around, check it out.
Well, the first step is to make a hole for the worm screw. So now let's go over and get it mounted onto the lathe. Start giving this maple some shape here using my bowl gouge. Change into a round carbide cutter. Switching out to my square carbide cutter here.
I'd like to take a quick second here just to thank everyone who's subscribed to my channel. I just broke 200 subscribers the other day, which I never imagined I would have reached 200 subscribers. I started this just to to share my work with my friends and my family and stuff like that. And and people just started subscribing and catching on, and I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, it would really help us out here if you did. It doesn't cost anything and only takes a second. Just smash that button. Thank you all so much, and be safe.
So here I'm going to continue shaping the bottom, and I'm going to put a recess so I could turn it over, hold it in my chuck. So after a boatload of sanding, I'm going to clean it up with some denatured alcohol and then put a couple coats of sanding sealer on it. So here I'm using some store-bought abrasive polish. Ready to flip it over here, and I'm going to start hollowing it out using a variety of tools, gouges and scrapers and whatnot. And then I'm going to do a boatload of sanding on this side too. So I'm going to follow suit, do a bunch of sanding, clean it with alcohol, and then put a couple coats of sanding sealer on it. Again, we're going to polish it with some store-bought abrasives. We'll finish the whole piece with some wax. So here I'm going to glue in my maker's coin.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. This came out really nice. It's a cool little coin dish, or you put your keys in it or whatever. I believe it's like a silver maple. It was starting to spalt a little bit. I got a couple cool little marks on it. I really enjoyed this. It was fun. I'm going to give you guys a couple stills so you can look at it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.